Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best recording mic is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any musician or aspiring music producer, impacting the overall quality of your recording significantly. Choosing the right microphone can mean the difference between a professional sounding track and one that's muddy, unclear, or lacks the depth and richness you're aiming for. Whether you're recording vocals, instruments, or podcasts, selecting a microphone that suits your needs and budget is paramount, and this video will guide you through the process of finding the perfect one for your setup. Number 5. FIFINE K669B USB Microphone. It's a plug-and-play USB microphone, easy to connect to your computer. Just plug it in and start recording your music, podcasts, or voiceovers. This microphone boasts a sturdy metal build and a stable tripod stand, perfect for long recording sessions or live streams. Its durable design ensures it will last. It features a convenient volume knob for precise audio control. Adjust it to your liking, or mute it completely for privacy. It's compatible with various platforms and applications, including Windows, Mac, PS4, and more. It works with popular programs like Zoom, Discord, and OBS. This cardioid condenser microphone captures clear, crisp audio, minimizing background noise. It's ideal for recording vocals, voiceovers, and gaming commentary. Whether you're streaming on Twitch, recording a podcast, or participating in online meetings, it delivers excellent sound quality. It's versatile and ready for any task. What we like. It boasts a simple plug-and-play design, making setup a breeze. Its sturdy metal build ensures longevity. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use microphone for everyday recording tasks, this is a great option. This mic is perfect for beginners and casual users who prioritize ease of use and durability. What people say. The FIFINE K669B USB microphone is an impressive mic for the price. After unboxing, you can have this up and running in 30 seconds. Just plug it into a computer via USB and it works. I like that it comes with a small tripod, but I especially like that the mic has threading to fit onto a standard microphone stand. This mic, being a cardioid type, does an excellent job of isolating my voice and minimizing the unwanted reflections. It does an excellent job of rejecting unwanted reflections. With a cardioid pickup pattern and wide frequency response, this microphone captures clear, crisp audio with excellent detail and accuracy. The sturdy metal construction and stable tripod stand provide added durability and stability, ensuring reliable performance even in demanding recording environments. Number 4. FIFINE T669 USB Microphone Kit. It boasts a simple plug-and-play USB connection to your PC or laptop. No extra hardware or drivers are needed to start recording vocals, podcasts, or Skype calls. High-quality sound is now easier than ever. This microphone offers a wide frequency response and handles loud sounds with ease. The cardioid condenser capsule captures crystal clear audio while minimizing background noise. You'll get great sounding results right out of the box. It comes with a sturdy boom arm stand that allows for flexible positioning. The 180 degrees up and down rotation and 135 degrees extension ensure optimal adjustment for podcasting or voiceovers. The double pop filter further minimizes unwanted noise. The adjustable boom arm features a C-clamp and a detachable desktop mount. Its compact design avoids obstructing your view while recording. You can easily position it for optimal sound capture. This kit includes everything you need: a shock mount, a double pop filter, a high-quality USB cable, and a user manual. It's ready to use straight away for professional sounding recordings. What we like. This microphone offers a high-quality audio experience with its superior sound capabilities and comes with a durable boom arm for flexible positioning. It's ideal for those who want to enhance their audio quality significantly. If you're serious about recording and need a versatile setup, this is the one for you. What people say. Setup was simple. The springs in the boom seem solid and some of the clamps are plastic, but they also seem like they will preform. The boom mount is metal and the tightening bar to the clamp is thick and strong. Mic quality is great. It does not have its own audio software, but with the cost I would not expect it to. What's in the box? Microphone, shock mount, boom arm and desk clamp, pop filter, accessory bag with extra parts, foam microphone cover, USB cable, 6-foot, user manual. Sound quality, very nice. I compared it to both the MacBook Pro built-in microphone and the Mac Studio display microphone, and it crushes both of them. The included boom arm is sturdy and easily adjustable, allowing me to position the microphone exactly where I need it. The shock mount is a great addition, minimizing unwanted vibrations and ensuring clean recordings. Setup was a breeze, just plug it into my computer's USB port, and it was ready to go. No complicated drivers or software required. Number 3. MAONO AU-A04 USB Mic. It boasts a professional sound chipset, delivering a high-resolution 192 kHz 24-bit sampling rate. This ensures smooth, clear audio reproduction, perfect for singing, speech, and voiceovers. This microphone features a USB 2.0 connection, just plug it into your computer, no extra drivers or sound cards needed. It's compatible with various operating systems for seamless use. The 16mm electric condenser transducer provides a strong bass response and crystal clear audio. A magnet ring on a cable further minimizes interference for a professional sound. It comes with a sturdy boom arm, pop filter, foam windscreen, and shock mount to keep it stable and your recordings clean. This setup is ideal for podcasts, YouTube videos, and more. It's compatible with most laptops, PCs, and even mobile phones with an OTG adapter. Enjoys strong output, minimal distortion, and low power consumption. What we like. It features a professional-grade sound chipset for superior audio quality and offers a convenient plug-and-play setup. It also includes a sturdy boom arm for optimal positioning. If you are a professional or enthusiast who values high-fidelity audio and a stable recording setup, this is a great choice. What people say. Looks and feels like an expensive mic. It's also very easy to use. It's a plug-and-play mic, so you don't have to download or buy any additional interfaces to get quality sound from it. And it does produce quality sound. The installation was an absolute breeze. In fact, it was so easy, I didn't even look at the instructions until the end, as I thought I had to have missed something. I was able to get it set up in probably 5 minutes, and it is truly plug and play with your PC, Windows 10. I plugged it into my USB hub, the PC immediately recognized it, and I was ready to go. The stand is sufficient and holds everything very steady and is fully adjustable with some good tensioning knobs to keep it in place. The pop filter fits nicely, although I like to just use the wind foam that slides over the mic itself. It sounds the same and allows me to keep a clearer view of my desk and my monitor. The best part is the sound quality. Number 2. FIFINE AmpliGame Microphone. It features a striking red design that complements your gaming setup. The RGB lighting creates an energetic atmosphere, perfect for streaming or recording. Intuitive controls are right at your fingertips. Easily mute yourself with a tap, or adjust the gain knob for optimal sound levels. This condenser microphone with cardioid pickup pattern captures your voice clearly while minimizing background noise. Share your excitement with your audience. The sturdy metal stand provides firm support, while the pop filter and shock mount reduce unwanted sounds. It's built to last. Get started instantly. Simply plug it in and start recording or streaming. The long USB cable gives you plenty of flexibility. What we like. This mic features vibrant RGB lighting and intuitive controls for an engaging recording experience. Its cardioid pattern ensures clear audio capture. If you're a streamer or gamer who wants to add personality and style to your setup, this mic is perfect for you. Number 1. Logitech Blue Yeti USB Mic. It's the perfect tool for creating high-quality audio for your streams, podcasts, or recordings. Its versatile design and easy setup make it ideal for both beginners and professionals. This microphone boasts a unique 3-capsule array. This produces incredibly clear and powerful sound, perfect for broadcast-quality audio. With Blue VO/CE, you can fine-tune your voice with enhanced effects and HD audio samples. Download Logitech's free G-Hub software to access it. It offers 4 different pickup patterns: cardioid, omni, bidirectional, and stereo. This gives you the flexibility to record in various ways, all with a single microphone. It features convenient onboard controls for headphone volume, pattern selection, instant mute, and mic gain. You're in complete control of your recording and streaming process. The adjustable desktop stand lets you pivot it to optimize sound quality. Enjoy real-time monitoring with no latency. It's incredibly easy to set up. Simply plug it in and start recording or streaming on your Mac or PC. It works right out of the box. What we like. It offers exceptional sound quality with its 3-capsule array and boasts 4 pickup patterns for versatile recording options. It's also incredibly easy to set up. If you're a professional or serious content creator who needs top-tier audio quality and flexibility, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. High-quality sound, very durable, have been using it for years now. The quality is superior to any other microphone that I've tried. The sound quality is exactly what you're needing when streaming. You can control the volume and the way you sound. It's not sensitive like other mics and setup is so easy, just plug it in and go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.